Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone to Central B digital learning program, which we call Sales Excel, your digital learning partner. In today's video, we'll talk about ROI. We'll see that what is it and how can we calculate it, what's the formula behind it, and what's the major component of ROI. So, what exactly is ROI? Return on investment. In simple words, we can say that we use this to calculate the profitability of any business. We use this to know if any business is making money or not. So let's break it down in a very easy and simple ROI formula, which is revenue minus expenses divided by investment. So a revenue is the money which is coming in the business. Expense is the money which is going out of the business to keep the operations running. And investment is the money which one is putting in the business in form of short-term investment or long-term investment. So this formula for ROI is being used in all sort of industries, from FMCGs to telcos. Everyone use this same formula, but obviously, industry to industry, case to case, stream of revenues, form of expenses, type of investment, it keep on changing. Since we are in telcos, so next we'll see that how in telco business, how in our franchise business model, we can calculate revenues, expenses, and investments. So, the first component of ROI formula is revenue, and this is the money which is coming from different streams. In telco business, there are multiple ways through which we can earn revenue. For instance, upfront margin, which is 1% of conventional loading. Then we have WIC earnings. It's a pure CS based earning, which one earn by selling the BYN or maybe doing SIM replacements. Then we have areas. It covers all the areas, MNP areas and prepaid areas. Then we have PBC margins. This is the amount which one get if all the assigned 13, 14 KPIs are met. And then promos, all sort of promos, head office promos, regional promos, which includes GA days, MNP days, FCA promo, bundle promo, SIP, 4G, every sort of promo. So once we club all these streams of income, we get our revenue sorted. So the next component of ROI formula is expenses, and it's something which diminish or decrease our profits. So first is salaries and wages, is simply the payment to CS staff or to RSOs, DSOs, maybe security guards or S&D manager. Then cost of sale is a major cost which incur on sim selling, like maybe some retail promo or some van expenses. Then we have WIC cost and S&D cost. It's simply in form of rentals or maybe the maintenance cost. And then utilities, which is simply bills like internet bill, electricity bills. And then lastly we have miscellaneous small expenses like petty cash. So we have to subtract all these expenses from our revenues to get the net profit. So the third and final part of our ROI formula is investment. We have two sort of component here. One is working capital, which is required for a day on day basic business operations, and then we have fixed asset, which is one time investment. In working capital, we have market credit. It's a credit which franchisee gives to its retailers. And then we have ZL float and NP and PSIM float. ZL float is opening balance in the master sim or the RSO sim, and usually it's around 30 to 40% of daily average loading. But yes, it can varies case to case, franchise to franchise. And PSIM and PSIM float, it's simply stock in hand or stock in transit. Then fixed asset. In fixed asset, we have security deposit. Security deposit is just like one-time investment in a web of maybe 5 lakhs or 10 lakh, based on the loading. And then we have furniture and equipment cost. the cost which franchisee bear once he's setting up the office with uh, furniture or systems. So we have to divide this investment with the net profit to get the ROI. So after going through the theoretical concept of ROI, now we will see that how we can calculate it numerically. So in this example, we can see that we have got our net profit of 30,000 by simply subtracting all our expenses with revenues, and then this net profit has been divided with total investment of 1 million to get the ROI of 3%. ROI will always be in percentage form, and in telco business, 3% to 4% ROI is reasonably good ROI. And in our franchise business model, most of our franchises are getting more than 3% ROI. So at the end, I just want to mention that with monthly net profit, we can also calculate our annual net profits by simply multiplying our monthly income with the total months. And here we can see that we have got annual net profit of 3,60,000 against the investment of 1 million. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Stay connected with Central B Digital Learning Platform.